Intellect Therapies. Intellect Therapies are our own brand of memory games, puzzles, and other things that we do to enhance hand-eye coordination and also to keep the brain active. Many of us are now aware that using different parts of your brain and challenging our brains, even something as simple as bouncing a ball, can really help us stave off the effects or reduce the effects of memory loss that it's associated with aging, Alzheimer's, dementia. At our company, we're big fans of integrating technology to do that and also using tangible materials that really do help a person, again, develop that hand-eye coordination. Trying something that is difficult, even at an old age, just as it is at a young age, does provide learning. It does help synapses fire, it helps our brains respond, and it strengthens our memory. Or in the case of somebody that is already suffering with the effects of Alzheimer's and dementia, that memory loss we associate with those diseases, it can help reduce the effect of that and help perhaps in some cases even see some progress with somebody's memory and ability, cognitive ability. So we integrate the iPad, of course. On these iPads we'll load several games, things as simple as Go Fish or Solitaire, games that the people can play on their own, and also games that they play with a caregiver. And for that, that's important because the interaction between a loved one and a caregiver, that person that's with them every day, is essential to quality of life. It's essential to build that bond and to have somebody that they know and trust is there caring for them. And one way to do that is to provide something more than simply bathing, dressing, laundry, meals and such. It's to have them actually interact in something together, play together. It's part of our philosophy that enhances somebody's life, that brings quality of life to their day at any extent. And of course, it does have that true, profound, medically proven effect of helping the memory. We also use more tangible games. We have simple puzzles, like this little dog, one of our favorites. It's simply a wood puzzle that somebody could build and take apart again and build again as much as they like. And what we'll do at our company is we'll rotate this out. So maybe this is out, mom and dad's or grandma and grandpa's for a week. Your loved one enjoys it, they learn it, perhaps even with shaky hands, they're able to complete it. And we help them, again, sharpen their memory. And then we'll swap that out with something like this. This is a tantrum set. There's several shapes in here that they build. It does affect memory, hand-eye coordination, and it will strengthen a person's ability cognitively and, of course, provide some enjoyment during the day and some interaction. This also plays into our mantra of really providing things, tools that help. And maybe it's a grandparent interact with the grandchildren when you bring them. These are great to have around for people of all ages. This is just part of our philosophy. It's an essential part of how we take care of people. It's more than adult babysitting. It's really addressing people in a more person-centered way and again, extracting that quality of life from every day to whatever extent we're able to per person.